Cool little cups as well there. Awesome, little Mickey Mouse with the castle. But yeah, they're like, oh, they smell incredible. I'm gonna try a bit. Oh yeah. Oh my god. They are so good, and they've got like a really nice amount of blueberry with them. Okie doke, so...
Had our hot chocolates.
Had our hot chocolates. I've just done the teacups. Charlotte didn't want to do them.
No, my head just feels a little bit funny, but they just said it wasn't that far, so I probably would have actually been fine. But...
We're going to do the Labyrinth, so let's do that. Alice's Curious Labyrinth. Welcome
to Alice's Labyrinth. Fairy lights in this bit. Oh guys, if you didn't know, this is my favourite film. Look up, look down, look that way, that way.
This way, that way, up way, down way, over, under, dog. Never, ever, 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 never stop. There you go. Oh no, guys. He's gone. Must have turned into a butterfly and flown away.
Forward, backwards, inward, downward, balance.
Oh look. This way or that way? Queen of Hearts. Let's go this way. No, Queen of Hearts maze. No, it's not. No, it's not, is it? I think it's a dead end. Go and have a look. Oh, look at that, that's cool. Oh, hello. Where are you going?
To the castle.
Which one?
That one.
That one?
Surtout, ne les laissez pas filer.
Oh, okay.
There, the end.
Yay, the entrance. We did it. Woohoo! Let's go to the top. What a beautiful view. Think you're pretty?
Huh?
Nice?
Yeah. We survived it. Well, we survived the castle.
Yeah, so we're walking out. Oh look.
It's an unbirthday party.
An unbirthday party. It's my unbirthday too. I love the little walk through here. It's just so cute. It's just as you come out of these gates, it just changes dramatically. It's so beautiful. Look. Oh man. What a view. Very busy view, but it's definitely a view.
So we're just waiting for Mickey's celebration. Joe's went to go and get food and he's still in the queue, so it looks like he's going to miss it, which is sad. But I will film it for him so he can watch afterwards.
spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
I'm back.
He's back. He got really delayed, but you still got to see the parade, didn't you, from outside of Casey's?
Yeah, so I got to see it. Did you show them?
Yeah, I filmed the whole thing.
So, I think my favourite bit was probably the one with the Pluto on the front with the eyes, and then the one with Mickey Mouse on it.
I liked all the big sweet corn stuff.
Yeah, that was cool.
All the
When
harvest
the girls
stuff.
in the actual
Yeah.
corn bit, that was pretty cool. Anyway, but it's okay because I got us food.
Yay. So it looks like you got us a hot dog and some fries, which I'm just going to grab one.
And I got you a Fanta.
Thank you. What hot dog did you get?
The cheddar cheese and onion.
Let me see, open it up. Oh. Oh, are they crispy onions?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Yeah? Happy?
Delicious, yeah. Looks really good.
Okay, shall I try it?
Is it good?
There's food on me.
Yeah, you have.
Oh my god.
Good?
Yeah, that cheese is delicious.
Oh, I can't wait to try
Try
it.
some?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Beautiful. So we're just walking through the castle. We're going to head out towards Fantasyland again, back to where we were earlier, near the Alice's Curious Labyrinth. But difference is this time we're going to go and do the little boat ride at the back, the Storytale one. And I think it's like a casey thing. But we're just heading through. Yeah, I put a jumper on it. It looks like I've got a little collar. But no, I'm wearing just my little Levi, green Levi jumper. Got me chilly. Bit chilly. So, oh my goodness, your hands are freezing. The hands are absolutely freezing. Anyway, we're gonna go and do this boat ride, so au revoir.
Remember to get up all the balloons and step up carefully to your right.
Not really much to film, to be honest. Running down the track, down and down the track.
Look at these little trees.
That was cute.
Casey Jr.
Running down the track.
I like Casey Jr.
Yeah, I do. That was cute. I like that.
Yeah, it was nice, just a little slow ride.
The fairy garden room.
The little dog.
Oh, look at the tower up there, look.
Rapunzel.
Yay!
I love the Little Mermaid. And I love it.
It's Peter and the Wolf.
Wow, Charlotte on the right. Oh, the genie's right there, and we're going into his mouth.
Baby night.
I don't want to get
Guys, look up there.
Where's that one?
Here we go! It's one of my favourite rides here. I spy a princess, a little princess. There she is, I see her face. It's very beautiful and has a pink hat on it.
Huh?
I've seen a song.
Oh.
But a beautiful princess with a pink hat on.
Oh, that's nice.
What about you?
Ow, on my hair.
What did you think of it then?
It was good. It's better in the dark though.
Oh yes, much better than that.
I wanna
Still
try and do it
awesome.
in the dark again.
It's super intense.
Yeah, it's really, really, really good. I'm just waiting for my nephew to go off, so I want to see if he likes it.
I reckon he liked the ride. I reckon it was a noise
Here
he
they come,
didn't
here they
like.
come, here they
They're
come.
coming. We'll get his review. We'll get his review.
He's jumping around. Was it good?
Tell me, what did you think of it?
It's great.
Was it great?
And I go,
So, desserts have arrived. What have you got?
Shortbread with
Is
roasted.
that a shortbread? Doesn't look like a shortbread.
No, it doesn't. It's
Oh,
like a,
okay.
That's what they've called it. I don't know if that is a shortbread.
Oh, okay.
With roasted pineapple and cream.
What's that on top?
Looks like chocolate.